Hey, what's good, guys? Today is day 370 of me reading a daily Bible verse, and today I'm going to be reading out of Deuteronomy chapter 15, verse 10, and it reads, "Give generously to the poor, not grudgingly, for the Lord your God will bless you in everything you do." This verse right here helps us understand that we should give generously to the poor, and the poor around us might be just people who needs help, and God has blessed us with a lot of things, and we should be grateful for what we have. And then we should also help other people with what we have, because God has blessed us generously, so that we should also bless other people generously. Sometimes we might not know what some people are going through, and that's why we need to be generous with what we have. And it says right there that when we do, God will bless us in everything we do. So be a blessing to the people around you, and when you do, God will be a blessing to you. So thank you for joining me today, and have a great day.